Hey everybody, welcome to Apex Syndicates. All right, I'm here talking to you guys again about one of my absolutely favorite DeFi projects in crypto. I love this one, and I've told you guys from the day it came out to not sleep on this project. So what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about Trouble. That's right, Trebleswap. The only V4 DEX on base, and this thing is really making waves. And they just came out with their perps, which means you can do leverage trading on their decentralized platform up to 60x. And it is so fast, so smooth, so amazing. And I'm going to tell you, I'll get to the chart in a minute, but the chart has absolutely been reflecting this amazing utility. I just kind of want to come over here quickly. Before I go through their website, I wanted to just show you their basically leverage trading platform. It's super simple. You can come over here, you set whatever you want, 1 to 60x leverage trading. You can do longs, you can do shorts. You come over here and they've got just every pair you can think of, BTC, ETH, XRP, Sol, you name it, Hyper. It's everything. You just scroll through here, they've got it near, and there's new stuff. It's really amazing. And like they're adding to this on a regular basis. SPX, this is awesome. So you can really come through here, and the fact that this is V4 decentralized leverage trading perps, that this absolutely is mind-boggling. This has so much room to grow. That's all I want to say. There is so much room to grow. The thing what I also like is that being V4, it is lightning fast. It gets you the best fee. It is absolutely insane. They have limit orders. You can sit over here. It's everything you could want on a decentralized exchange. And once again, I am so bullish on the base chain. I really think it's just going to absolutely kill it and crush it this bull run and in the coming cycles. Base is just beyond phenomenal in my personal opinion. The other thing I love and that I use on a daily basis is their cross-chain swap. It is so easy because it goes from every chain to every chain. It's just absolutely seamless. It is fast, and literally it costs you fractions of what it costs on doing cross-chain swaps anywhere else. Super user friendly, so highly recommend you come and check this out when you get some time. Do your own research and do your own due diligence. Another thing that just blows me away is their earning basically functions. They have so much staking, they have so many pools that you can set up, but they also have single side staking. And right here, just single side staking your Trouble right here, 22% APR. Guys, this is absolutely insane. But you can also just single side staking USDC, 18%. Single sided, okay? ETH, 18%. Look at this stuff, guys. Come on. Absolutely insane, okay? And like I said, now they have all their farms, and you can set up all the other pairs, and you can do all that stuff too, and you can make massive games if you want to get into that. That's a little above my expertise. The farming thing scares me a little bit, but I know a lot of people absolutely make killings at it. But like I said, if you just want to come over here and do some single-sided staking, this is phenomenal passive income. So check it out. Like I said, do your own research, do your own due diligence. I'm just telling you what I see, what I feel, what I think, and what I'm investing in. Because, guys, there is nothing like Trouble out there. There really isn't. I have looked, and there is nothing. Trouble is, like I said, it's the V4. It's one of the first V4 exchanges out there. And being that it's a decentralized exchange, all of the stuff that they're doing and bringing to the table, like I said, it's a launch pad. Automated market making, farming, staking, cross-chain swaps, no KYC, on-ramp, off-ramp for onboarding and offboarding crypto. There's so much to this. And like I said, when you see the market cap, it absolutely blows me away. So let's just take a quick look at this. You can see right here when they dropped their notification on their perps and it kind of popped out here, it absolutely flew. It ran up here, did like a 400 or 500% increase. It's retraced, but it's still holding about a 300% increase from what it was trading at. It was trading at right around that 10-cent mark, and right now it's trading up here almost at a 40-cent token price. And this is nothing right now. This is keep in mind, a $4.2 million market cap. Insane, because Trouble is so undervalued. In my personal opinion, a decentralized exchange, V4, with leverage trading, with AI agents. Like I said, I didn't even talk to you about that, but they have their AI agent called Elvis. And you can sit in there and talk to him. You can ask him questions. You can tell him to go out and pick a coin, buy it for you at these prices, and it will automatically do it for you. So it's got an AI agent that will sit there and absolutely make trades and work for you. And just, it's mind-boggling what Treble has created and what they have, the potential that they have. And when I look at their market cap here at a $4.2 million market cap, I look at other dexes. I look at other dexes that are, you know, in the hundreds of millions of dollar market caps, that are just basically VC pushed, that are, you know, these mammoths that have real no utility, nothing like what Treble has. And they're in the hundreds of millions of dollars in market cap. Me personally, I can't see Treble not getting to $150 million market cap. That's my personal opinion. I mean, so you're looking at a 20, 25, 30x from here. So if you think you missed the boat because it had this one little pump, it's a $4 million market cap. Okay, let that sink in. This is, in my opinion, is an easy $150 million project, hands down. That's all I'm going to say. That's where I see Treble going, and I think that will happen this cycle. That's going to happen, in my personal opinion, not financial advice. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. I believe that will happen this cycle. You know, right now we're in October. October is starting strong. We see some amazing movement coming in. Bitcoin is almost all-time high. And like I said, basically the fear is starting to leave people. And I think once that euphoria kicks in, you're going to see stuff fly. And people are going to be looking for good utility projects. And trust me, Treble is probably the best one out there, in my personal opinion. I was telling you guys about Treble way back before it launched. We got in on the private sale over in our VIP Telegram chat. You know, a lot of our members got in early. A lot of people that were watching my videos bought in at launch and got in, you know, at 6-7 cent token price. And trust me, guys, we have made some insane gains, and I have been just DCAing in. I have been buying, stacking, because I see the potential. For me, there is no project like Treble out there. Like I said, I've been screaming it from the mountaintops from launch, and I am incredibly bullish on this one because of everything that they're creating. I mean, they truly are, in my opinion, revolutionizing the industry. They're making massive changes, massive moves in the right direction, making DeFi what DeFi is supposed to be: decentralized and user-friendly. And so hats off to Treble and everybody that got in early. And like I said, if you think you missed the boat, you're still incredibly early, in my personal opinion. At a $4 million market cap, Treble is a great buy, and it's definitely a project that you should look at adding to your portfolio, checking it out, and using it. Literally use it, because man, I'm telling you, their cross-chain swap is amazing. And like I said, if you're trading or doing anything on base as well, it's amazing. And now that they have leverage trading, mind-boggling. You can also set up a referral link, and you can also generate money through your referral link as well. So check out Treble. Don't sleep on it. And I'll leave all the links in the description below. So do your own research, everybody. But for me, Treble is a winner. So everybody, have a great day. Don't forget to smile, and do me a big favor. Make sure you like and subscribe, leave a comment, follow me on X. No risk, all reward. And also, we have a free Telegram chat community. We would love to have you over there. We'll leave the links in the description below. We also have a Patreon for my VIP Telegram chat. We'll leave a link to that in the description as well. And we would love to have you over there. We would love to have you as part of our community. So everybody, have a great day. Don't forget to smile, pick up some Treble, and I'm pretty sure we'll see you on the moon. Take care, everybody.